Hi guys, today our topic is price prediction for NIO stock. Before watching this video, you should hit the like button and subscribe to watch fantastic videos to enhance your knowledge. Moneymakers will be covering all the hottest updates for NIO, and the last one that may involve the Google of China. I'm going to be talking about what I'm doing with all this information. We're guaranteed 4 stocks for free if you want to get my instant buy and sell alerts, my weekly watch list, my exclusive portfolio, and join our private investing community of informed investors. Check out my Patreon, the first link down below, for more information on how to get your hands on some of the stocks we're covering in today's featured news stories. We'll also be covering the updates on China and the latest from the car market in China. Back to the homepage you're coming from. We'll be back next week with all the latest news and information on our Moneymakers show and tell the program Moneymakers. I want to reiterate that I truly do not care about price targets from analysts because sometimes they get it right. And that's what we're seeing with Neolife around China. What would be interesting now is when they do expand into Europe with their Marco Polo project. Analysts believe that NIO's move has little to do with plans to replenish his capital and take advantage of current market conditions. Deutsche Bank rated a buy rating on NIO with a 50 price target. The analyst expects NIO's record sales to continue ahead of the Chinese New Year holiday the next week. Analysts say that NIO has proven its ability to compete with models from international brands, such as Tesla, even at a price point higher than the Model 3. The analyst says that this is not something to fear, and that it is a smart move for the company to raise capital. The company sees this as a time to act opportunistically. Smartly, says the analyst. The analyst says that NIO doesn't need the money because it has nearly $3 billion in cash reserves in the third quarter. Its after-sales service includes battery swapping and mobile charging and maintenance services. The analyst, NIO's effort to expand its market shares appears to be bearing fruit considering the company's growing brand recognition. The NIO community, or the Neolife, and all the different unique services that it offers. People are purchasing a vehicle to access the ecosystem that surrounds a particular company such as NIO. The partnership between the Chinese government as well as NIO itself empowers their collaboration. The next NIO is a cooperation agreement to build 100 charging stations and battery swap stations in China by 2021. The two companies signed the framework agreement on deep cooperation in charging battery swap and energy services. They agreed to integrate the respective strengths and resources to explore the vehicle's innovations and set a business model. NIO is the first car company to cooperate with the State Grid ever. It's a service established by 2015 and is positioned to implement China's national energy star, Strategy Air. The Chinese economy is beginning to fly on its own after 2 consecutive quarters of positive growth, and the third is already underway. China is targeting 20 EV penetration by 2025. The world is fighting the second wave of the coronavirus that will plunge regions like the Eurozone into a sound economic contraction, says coronavirus. The third wave will be the first time the euro has been dipped into a global economic contraction. The fourth wave, we will see the world's economic growth slow down, Rona says. She says the fifth wave of change will be fueled by emerging markets like the US and Europe. GAC NIO's headquarters, or new production base, is expected to move to Beijing. State-owned enterprises and new car companies are significant shareholders of GAC NIO. GAC NIO is not explicitly designed to support the development of China's economic growth. The club is also expected to invest in many other businesses in China. Baidu has reached a strategic cooperation, which provides an opportunity for GAC NIO to cooperate with Baidu. NIO owns about 45% stake in GAC NIO, which means that there could be some information spillover. Baidu being the Google of China, as well as being one of the leading Google of the Chinese government to contact safety tests with 5 vehicles and a price floor of around $40 million. NIO has a concrete foundation of $40. For example, in early December, NIO did drop to very close to $40, but then quickly recovered. Then more recently, it fell to more than $40. The company is in contact with the Baidu team, which may become an essential part of the company's future product strategy in the future. The group is called the Bride Team and is based in Beijing, China, and is made up of a female driver and 2 male drivers with a female passenger in each vehicle. The driver is also known as a Baidu team, and the company is called a team. And Arch Invest has purchased 20 million shares of a stock that has over 80% institutional ownership. Hi guys, so if you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get the regular updates to watch more such informative videos.